Is your iCloud drive taking up too much space on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to delete unnecessary files from your iCloud drive directly on your iPhone. Let's dive in and fix this problem quickly. Solution 1. Turn off iCloud Drive. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, tap on iCloud. Tap on See All next to Save to iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive. Toggle off Sync this iPhone. After that, tap Turn Off to confirm. Clear iCloud Drive files. Open the Settings app once again. Tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Tap on See All next to Saved to iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive. Tap on Manage Storage. Tap on Review Files. After that, tap on Browse from the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Recently Deleted. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Tap on Select. Select all the files you want to delete. Then tap Delete. Lastly, tap Delete again to confirm. Solution 3. Turn off App Sync to iCloud. Open Settings once more. Tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive, syncing to iCloud Drive. Now toggle off any apps you don't want to sync with iCloud. And that's it. That's how you free up space on your iCloud Drive right from the iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.